The second product on this list is the NexiGo D90. This unit is the ideal choice for those who demand the best in-car accessories. It's equipped with dual Sony StarVis sensors, delivering authentic 4K resolution at 30 FPS, ensuring no upscaling tricks are involved. The front unit features the Sony StarVis IMX415 sensor, while the rear unit utilizes the Sony IMX307 camera sensor, guaranteeing high-quality video recording from both perspectives. What truly sets the NexiGo Mirror Dashcam apart is its impressive 11-inch IPS touchscreen display. This anti-glare panel not only widens the field of view compared to a traditional rearview mirror, but also significantly reduces blind spots, enhancing safety while driving. The inclusion of HDR technology elevates clarity in low-light conditions, providing exceptional night vision performance. Say goodbye to concerns about unclear footage during nighttime drives. The built-in GPS antenna precisely logs vital trip details in real time, including time, speed, and coordinates, proving invaluable in accident situations by providing clear and accurate incident location information. Furthermore, the split-screen functionality enables quick switching between the front and rear views, ensuring you stay fully aware on the road. As a bonus, the NexiGo includes a 128GB SD card with the package at no additional cost, offering ample space for your recordings. All in all, it is an effective device for any driver. Its pros are: it is equipped with Sony StarVis IMX415 and IMX307 sensors, guaranteeing high-quality footage. It allows quick switching between front and rear views, and it comes with an impressive 3-year warranty period. However, its cons are some customers complain that it can randomly freeze during recording, and the installation process is a bit more complex for some users. The NexiGo Mirror Dashcam is a high-caliber choice for anyone seeking the best in mirror dashcam systems. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products in the market.